Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your iPhone does not ring on incoming call. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you the exact fix to get your iPhone ringing again. Step 1. Check silent mode switch. First look at the switch on the left side of your phone. If you see orange, silent mode is on. If you flip the switch up to turn, sound back on. Step 2. Turn up ringer volume. First go to the settings, then tap on sounds and haptics. Move the ringer and alerts slider all the way up. Also turn on change with buttons. Step 3. Turn off focus or do not disturb. Go to the settings, then tap on focus. Make sure do not disturb, sleep or work is turned off. Focus mode can silence calls completely. Step 4. Check call sound settings. In settings, tap on sounds and haptics. Tap on ringtones. Choose a ringtone and make sure it's not set to none or very low. Step 5. Check Bluetooth device. Turn off Bluetooth from control center. Your iPhone might be sending call sound to earbuds or car system. Step 6. Restart your iPhone. Restart iPhone to clear temporary sound glitch. Step 7. Update iOS. Go to settings, then general, then software update. Install the latest update and fix call and sound bugs. And that's how to fix an iPhone that does not ring on incoming calls. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.